In today's video, gastroesophageal reflux disease GERD, which causes heartburn. I am going to tell you what aggravates heartburn, what you should do to relieve the symptoms, and my personal experience with GERD and how I cured myself. GERD presents itself as a dull ache of pain just behind the breastbone, hence the name heartburn. In between the esophagus and the stomach, there is a sphincter known as a gastroesophageal sphincter. The function of this sphincter is not to allow food which is swallowed to be regurgitated back up. This sphincter only opens when food is swallowed. GERD occurs due to a dysfunction of this sphincter. This normally occurs after a big meal or when you lie down after a meal. The other triggers of GERD include spicy food, citrus fruits, deep fried foods, aerated drinks, alcohol and smoking. So it is but obvious that you should avoid these triggers. Hang in there because I am soon going to tell you how I felt with heartburn and how I finally solved the problem. Drugs used to treat GERD include antacids, proton pump inhibitors and H2 receptor blockers. Untreated GERD can cause sores and ulcers in the esophagus and also lead to cancer. Let me tell you about my experience with GERD. One day when I came home for lunch in the afternoon, I felt this sharp pain in my chest and I went into panic mode. It was an outright panic attack. I was feeling like my heart was giving way. I rushed myself to the ER. They immediately ran an ECG and some other tests. All this while I was slowly dying. But the doctors there were quite amused and they explained to me that I had GERD and gave me some medications and packed me off. And from here began my suffering for the next year and a half. Hang in there because I am going to tell you the one thing I did that cured me for life. How I felt over the next 1 year cannot be explained, but you can understand if you have suffered from heartburn. I had a constant pain in the chest, radiating to the arm and even to the jaw. It felt like I was getting a heart attack all the time. I felt palpitations in the chest although my heart rate was normal. I had this feeling of impending doom. You see, this is because the left side of our body is innervated by the parasympathetic system, specifically the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve innervates the stomach, the esophagus and our heart. So often the symptoms we feel are jumbled up. A warning here though, if you have any of these symptoms, please rush the ER. Do not just assume it is GERD. I repeat, if you have any of these symptoms, please rush the ER and let the doctors diagnose you. I avoided all the trigger foods but it did not help. The medications only provided temporary relief. The medications, if taken for a long period of time, also have side effects. Fast forward a year and a half. Christmas Eve, 24th of December, I got up in the morning and I suddenly felt totally cured. I was not on any medications, and as you know, during the festive season it is very difficult to avoid any triggers. The one thing which cured my GERD was that I had lost some weight. During the same timeline while I was suffering from heartburn, I had also set out on my journey to fitness. Looping up a video here that you can check out to put some perspective in the timeline. Obesity is a predisposing factor to GERD and heartburn. Do share this video with somebody you know that suffers from heartburn so that they can learn from my experiences. If I have provided with some value, do consider subscribing. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.